Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites and taking the first actionable steps. Install Xcode and enable command line tools because you need device tooling. Once done, sign into your Apple developer account and prepare a development certificate. This lets you provision your iPhone. Next, install Flutter SDK and run Flutter Doctor to resolve missing pieces. Make sure CocoaPods is installed, then open your Flutter project and run pod install in iOS/, which prepares native dependencies before you connect the device. You now configure the project and execute the build. Open iOS/runner. XC workspace in Xcode, set the bundle ID, and choose your team so automatic signing generates a provisioning profile. This is why Xcode must manage signing. Then enable developer mode on the iPhone and trust the Mac when prompted, otherwise installs fail. Back in your terminal, run Flutter build iOS debug or press run in Xcode, both compile native code. Finally, verify device logs in console to monitor startup and runtime messages. You finish by installing and validating the app on the iPhone while explaining one key troubleshooting tip. After installing, exercise core flows, check permissions, and use Flutter logs to inspect runtime output because that reveals crashes. If you face signing errors, revoke and recreate certificates, then update provisioning profiles. Signing mismatches are the most common blocker. Make sure to run pod install and Flutter clean, restart Xcode, and replug the device. These steps clear cached issues and usually restore a successful build.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.